Okay, Ashi.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Are you?
Ready.
Okay.
Say. One for my master, one
Sing
for
properly.
my name, one for
Start from the
my
beginning.
labor.
Baby, start from the beginning. Fast.
Baba, what you bow anymore? Let's say, three by four. One for my master, one for my name, one for the little boy lives on the edge. Baba, what you bow anymore? Yes, sir, three by four.
Good girl. Next.
Okay.
Spider. Spider.
Are you the spider?
Dolly.
It's the spider, went up the spider, giant and the wind, and was the spider up? I came the sun and dried the boy the rain, and the itchy the spider, went up the water spider.
Next.
Hey guys, and today I'm going to show you to make some Play-Doh. And this classic Play-Dohs of Play-Doh. It is powdering up the water spot. Giant in the rain and water by the in the sun and dry the rain and the itchy spider went up the water spot. Mommy, can you clean up for me? Can you clean up, Mommy?
I clean up for you.
Yeah, clean up the
Okay.
Play-Doh.